Hello and welcome back to another Warzone Street sponsored County YouTube video. Today we're taking a look at what might the Saturday update be. Let's look into it. Now, if you don't know already, if you come on over to the side of the police station, close to the river, there is pipes in the ground. It looks like 2 water pipes and 1 electric pipe. And here's what I think is gonna happen. So on Saturday, there's a picture on screen right now. And is it just me, or does that look like a box with some like trees around it or something? Well, that's what I think it is. And what I think DOT is doing here, I think they're disconnecting the water and electrical from the building so they can demolish it. Does that sound crazy? I hope they put more stuff tomorrow to inform us on what might happen. Like maybe they dug out deeper, or maybe these are cut or something. But that's what I think is gonna happen. I think they're going to cut open these pipes and disconnect them and rebuild the station. Just look how old these pipes are. The station needs to be new. This station is so old. Every other building has gotten the revamp. The sheriff even got the revamp, but the police still need their revamp. Look how old it is. Some of these rooms are still unfinished. So look here, right outside where they're building the construction, there's nothing even inside this room, and there never has been. So hopefully we might get some stuff, maybe like a second floor or something, or maybe the coroner's office. That would be cool, because that could also be a thing. There could also be multiple things in that thumbnail teaser, like maybe a building in the middle and then like corner on the side, or maybe some other buildings highlighted. So that's what I think is gonna happen. I think this is a teaser on them disconnecting the building from electrical and water and demolishing the police station. That's what I think is gonna happen. They might even put a helicopter pad on top, make it more realistic. So let me know what you think is gonna happen in the comments. On Saturday, we're gonna find out. Maybe it's a new police station, maybe it's some random stuff, like police tours. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.